Credit card fraud is a serious issue that affects millions of people globally. If you find yourself a victim of this crime, it is crucial to act swiftly and methodically to minimize damage and recover your financial security. Here's a comprehensive guide on what to do in case you become a victim of credit card fraud. 1. Recognize the signs of credit card fraud. Early detection is key to mitigating the impact of credit card fraud. Here are some common indicators. Unfamiliar transactions on your credit card statement. Unexpected declines of your credit card. Notifications about changes to your account that you did not initiate. Receiving bills for accounts you did not open. 2. Contact your credit card issuer. Immediately. As soon as you notice any suspicious activity, contact your credit card issuer. Most companies have 24/7 customer service to handle fraud reports. Inform them about the unauthorized transactions and request that they freeze or cancel your card to prevent further misuse. They will also issue you a new card with a different number. 3. Report the fraud to the credit bureaus. Notify the major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, about the fraud. Request a fraud alert to be placed on your credit report. This alert notifies potential creditors to take extra steps to verify your identity before opening new accounts in your name. 4. File a report with the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. Filing a report with the FTC helps create an official record of the fraud. Visit the FTC's website to complete an identity theft report. This step is essential for documenting the fraud and supporting your case in any disputes with creditors. 5. Report the fraud to local law enforcement. While it might seem overkill, filing a report with your local police department can be crucial, especially if the fraud involves a significant amount of money. Provide a copy of your FTC report, your ID, and any evidence of the fraud. A police report adds another layer of documentation and can be helpful if you need to dispute charges. 6. Monitor your accounts closely. Keep a close eye on all your financial accounts, not just the one affected by the fraud. Regularly review your credit card and bank statements for any unusual activity. Consider setting up account alerts that notify you of any new transactions or changes. 7. Change your passwords and enhance security. Change the passwords for all your online accounts, starting with your financial institutions. Use strong, unique passwords for each account and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common words. 8. Dispute fraudulent charges. Work with your credit card issuer to dispute the unauthorized charges. The Fair Credit Billing Act, FCBA, limits your liability for unauthorized charges to $50, but most credit card companies have zero liability policies that protect you fully. How to dispute charges. Write to your credit card issuer's address for billing inquiries. Include your name, address, account number, and a description of the fraudulent charges. Send your letter within 60 days after the statement with the unauthorized charge was mailed to you. 9. Consider a credit freeze. A credit freeze restricts access to your credit report, making it harder for identity thieves to open new accounts in your name. Contact each of the credit bureaus to request a freeze. You can temporarily lift the freeze if you need to apply for credit.